Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we're following US-98 south as we enter the city of Okeechobee at mile 585. US-98 comes into town on Park Street, running with Florida State Road 70 and the hidden State Road 700, with a 4-lane city street ahead and businesses, driveways, and traffic signals replacing the rural approach from the west. Okeechobee is a city and the county seat of Okeechobee County, with an estimated population of 5,811 as of 2025. The Census Bureau reports a 2020 to 2024 median household income of $57,044 and a median owner-occupied home value of $197,700. The name Okeechobee is usually traced to native words meaning big water, referring to the Great Lake just south of town. The city was first incorporated in 1915, before Okeechobee County was created in 1917, and it remains the main service center for this ranching, farming, fishing, and lake country region. We now turn right onto South Parrott Avenue. SR 70 continues east along Park Street toward Fort Pierce. Our turn brings US 98 onto the same corridor as US 441 and SR 15, while US 98 also keeps its hidden SR 700 designation. Northbound US 441 heads back toward Yeehaw Junction, Hollapaw, and the Orlando area, and this is the same US 441 we met earlier on the US 192 series. South Parrott Avenue is the main commercial spine through this part of Okeechobee, with 2 lanes in each direction, a raised median, frequent turn lanes, shopping plazas, restaurants, motels, auto services, medical offices, and local businesses filling both sides of the highway. Behind us near Park Street, Flagler Park and downtown Okeechobee are close by, and that area hosts the Speckled Perch Festival, the city's longtime March celebration tied to fishing, food, arts and crafts, and a Saturday parade. As we continue south, the overhead guide sign still gives US-98 as south. We're now approaching the north side of Lake Okeechobee, but the lake itself never actually comes into view from US-98 in this stretch. Here we turn left to stay with US-98 and US-441 as the route begins following the north and east side of the lake. Lake Okeechobee is Florida's largest lake, covering about 730 square miles, but it's unusually shallow for its size, with an average depth of about 9 feet. The Herbert Hoover Dike also surrounds the lake for about 143 miles, providing flood protection around this part of South Florida. Even when the highway is very close to the shoreline, the road is separated from the water by development, trees, access roads, and the levee system. We approach the roundabout at Southeast 18th Terrace, where the big green sign gives US-98 as east again. It also lists US-441 as east, which doesn't match the route's actual signed direction here. This also is not the point where US-98 fully returns to east-west signing, since reassurance shields ahead still show US-98 south. We conclude today's video at mile 590.5. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.